Hey guys, I'm showing you this Hammock camping chair. It's a folding portable rocking chair with the aluminum alloy adjustable back swinging chair with a pillow, cup holder, recliner with carry bag. So this is good for the outdoor use or the travel lawn, backyard, you know, or anywhere you want to use. So you can see that it comes in a really nice pack or this bag that comes with it. And then let me just open this also comes with this handle or the strap that you can carry it anywhere you want. And then just open this up, so you can see this is a aluminum frame here with a solid build. This is instructions that you can use how to install. Installation is pretty easy and straightforward. Let me just show it to you, but you have to keep in mind some instances where I can just let you know later on. So this frame is the main frame. You can just expand it. So here, like, you can expand it like this way. Now the main click here is the corner hooks. So like this red one that you see here, so that need to be really fit well. So there is a hook that needs, this rod need to be comes to that level, and then you have to make this red hook. Then these two stand with the seat can go on the top of this aluminum frame. So this is a side hook. There's a plastic cap like this and it goes on the top, and this is all set. So it's comfortable and you can see it here, and there's a pillow. And as I mentioned, be sure like this small hook is actually above this red hook, else you may fall. So this need to be put really nice and firm, and then it becomes a really nice chair to enjoy. This is side pockets, also the cup holder, and a good pillow on the back, and then cushion is very relaxing. So you can see a swinging function here from the back. I'm just showing you. So I just sit on it and it's really fun. And there's two straps on the side that you can arrange the reclining position also. So there are the manual straps that you can use and then adjust the way or incline or the inclination angle, and then have fun with this. You can just pack this off and then also put in that bag again, and you can just carry. So you can see with the slow motion that how comfortable it is in the corner. And then this is the main reclining, that with the strap you see the black ones, you can adjust the inclination angle. So this is a full view, and then I just showing is the corner one that you can see it here is very relaxing. The side one can work as the handle here, and this plastic cap is actually the chair ones that comes on the top of the frame. So very relaxing chair and is a fun. You can just put your legs in it and then swing and enjoy it outdoor on your yard or anywhere you want. So in the side you can put your water or the drink and enjoy your chair.